Welcome, Dreamedia family, to another episode. Today, we're going to be talking about what are backboxes and why are they important in your home theater. Let's get into it. Welcome back, Dreamedia family. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about backboxes. What is a backbox in your home theater specifically? So, a backbox is an enclosure that we install behind a speaker, specifically talking about in-wall and in-ceiling speakers. There are different types of in-wall and in-ceiling speakers. Open air, no backbox speakers that are specifically designed to be in your wall cavity or use the wall cavity to pressurize the speaker. And then there's specific backboxes designed specifically for certain drivers, woofers, and tweeters. Now, in this home theater here, we really wanted to create the most high-end audio experience, reference level experience. Generally speaking, entry-level speakers are going to come with no backbox, and you may not even consider putting in a backbox for it. But in order for a good quality speaker to perform at a high level, specifically all in-wall and in-ceiling speakers that are high quality are going to have backboxes. Now, the backboxes are built specifically to the specifications of that speaker's woofer and tweeter and designed to maximize the performance, the output of that speaker. In addition to increasing the performance of the speaker, it's also going to help with resonance escaping the room and sound waves escaping the room into other spaces in the home. This helps with the acoustic isolation of the speaker itself. Now, we have a variety of different speakers to choose from with different types of backboxes and different types of acoustic isolation, or a combination of both. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the different options that we have available. First, I wanted to start off with a retrofit backbox that can be installed on any speaker at any price point. The product I'm going to be featuring today is from Dynamat. If you look here, this is the in-wall speaker enclosure system. And this is designed for generally any in-wall speaker. They have different options to choose from, and you can purchase these from Dreamedia as well. You can check them on our website, or consultants can add it to your package. But what's really great about this particular backbox system, really it's more of about isolating the sound and cutting back on the reverberation and the sound escaping into other rooms. But this particular one can be used on a variety of different in-wall, and we have one for the ceiling as well, in-ceiling speakers. But it's not specifically designed for the speakers. But great option for retrofitting an existing speaker system. Or say you have a speaker system that is open-backed and you want to dampen that audio. This is going to dampen the wall vibration. This is going to create a sound barrier and a speaker enclosure. This is going to diffuse the speaker back wave, as well as decouple the speaker enclosure. So as you can see, they have a gasket, a sound snake that goes around it so that the audio isn't just basically pressurizing the cavity between your 2x4s. And then it's got the back wave foam here, and then it has the Dynamat. You guys may be familiar with Dynamat. I actually used Dynamat early in my career and early in my enthusiast adventure in audio when I first got into car audio as a kid. Now we're utilizing them for home theaters and high-end cinema as well. So great solution here from Dynamat for creating an enclosure for any in-wall speaker. All right, now that we've talked about in-wall and in-ceiling retrofit backboxes, we recommended one from Dynamat, I'd like to talk about the more premium solution, which is featured here in this beautiful home theater that I'm standing in. So the more premium solution is going to be custom ordered specific to the speakers for each location in the room. As an example, this home theater here has a full 11.8.6 Dolby Atmos system. And every single speaker was hand selected for this particular placement in the room. So every different speaker, whether it's an LCR for the front soundstage, it's an in-wall dual 12 sub, which we have flanking the fronts and the rears, or it's our in-wall speakers to go behind our clean Cinelux stretch fabric that we offer here at Dreamedia, or our in-ceiling speakers. You're gonna find a specific back box that we install in the new construction or retrofit phase when the room is stripped down to the studs. It's essential to differentiate between the two because this Dynamat option is really flexible, and it gives you the ability to fit it to any space, even if the room, you don't have to take the sheetrock down. Whereas I'll throw up some pictures on the screen and you guys can see some examples of what's now behind this stretch fabric. But what's really cool is we installed these back boxes for this full 11.8.6 Dolby Atmos system during the framing stage. And to give you a little more insight, these back boxes are not only built for every single speaker in the room, but what's really cool is the back boxes are acoustically isolated as well. So yes, we have the rock wool. Yes, we have the offset 2x6 studs. We have our soundboard. We have our green glue. We have standard home theater best practices for acoustically isolating this space from the rest of the house. I mean, even our air ducts. We have some specialty air ducts here to help dampen the audio. But on the back boxes that are specifically built for these speakers, they have these little rubber grommets and these L brackets to where essentially the back box and the speaker itself are floating, completely decoupled from the framing of the home theater and the rest of the house. So by getting with Dreamedia early on and designing your home theater from the ground up is really critical to maximizing the performance of your back boxes, your in-wall enclosures. There's kind of a myth, right, that in-wall speakers suck. I'm sure you guys have been doing your research, learning about home theater, educating yourself, and you've probably seen everybody says floor standing speakers are the best, box speakers are the best. And generally speaking, that's accurate. But when you get into high-end cinema design, high-end home theater, you'll find that we can get the exact same performance out of an in-wall system when we have the correct type of in-wall speakers with back boxes, and all of these back boxes are floating with our acoustically isolated decouplers. They're these little rubber grommets, and maybe we can show you some on-screen visuals of this. In this room here, we're utilizing the RBH sound, the full AMT tweeters all the way around. I mean, this thing rips, guys. I've listened to this system at 120, 125 dB output with bass response down to 10 hertz all day, and you can barely hear it right outside the room. If you go upstairs to the upper level, you can't hear a peep, which is really incredible. So are back boxes important? Yes. I hope I answered the main question. What are back boxes for your theater, and do you need them in your home theater? The reality is every little thing we do in these builds matter. The acoustics inside the walls, the acoustics on the interior shell of the room, as well as the back boxes and the speakers you choose, all make a huge difference in the audio performance. And then not to mention your processor, which is a whole nother video. In this space, we're utilizing Trinoff, which is the best processor and amplifier on the market. If you're interested in learning more about backboxes, home theater acoustics, and general best practices for designing your dream home theater, reach out today for a free video consultation and get started. We also have our Dreamedia Plus program, which is for full designs. We do everything from mapping out your seating charts, your sight lines, your screen size, kind of heat map and project out your speaker placement, as well as we have a program that we run that does an acoustic analysis on our hypothetical room, ensuring that everything is going to perform optimally at THX and home theater standards. We want to maximize the performance and the money spent on your home theater. The Dreamedia Plus program does that with the science, but also it brings your vision to life. I hope you guys found this video educational on back boxes in your home theater or your future home theater and helped you in becoming educated on the topic. If you'd like to learn more, watch more of our videos or schedule that consultation. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it informative. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.